I am going to use this old propane gas dryer to measure the temperature and humidity of its exhaust, and to see how they change over time. The purpose is to find a good criteria that shows the clothing inside the dryer is dry enough, and the dryer can be stopped.
At the back of the dryer, the exhaust vent is open, so the temperature and humidity sensor can be easily placed for measurement.
Raspberry Pi 1 is used to control and sample the temperature and humidity. Since Raspberry Pi 1 has no Wi-Fi, an Ethernet cable is used for remote access. The DHT22 is used as temperature and humidity sensor. The sensor is clipped to the dryer's exhaust vent, while the Raspberry Pi is powered by a battery. From Linux machine, a Python program is launched via SSH. The sensor's temperature and humidity are sampled every 10 seconds, and saved to a log file. After the drying cycle, the log file is processed and plotted using Python as well. This graph shows the sampled temperature and humidity curve over time for the dryer drying mixed clothing. Green curve is the temperature, and red curve is the humidity. At about 9:22 a.m., dryer started, and at around 10:15 a.m., dryer stopped. From 10:05 a.m., the humidity bottom stays stable, which suggests the clothing is dry enough. Another measurement is to dry a cotton sleeping bag, and see how the temperature and humidity look like. For this second measurement, the temperature and humidity change much faster, and humidity stabilizes much faster. It takes about 20 minutes to become stable, which means 20 minutes is the time needed to dry the sleeping bag. A third measurement was done with full load of clothing. This time, due to the big load, it takes more than 60 minutes for the humidity to become stable.